Here's what the business media didn't report. Digicel was never profitable at the scale they claimed. O'Brien's expansion strategy required massive debt, $1.8 billion to buy frequencies, $2.3 billion for network infrastructure, $1.5 billion for marketing wars, $800 million for phone subsidies. By 2006, Digicel had $3 billion in debt. By 2010, it was $5 billion. By 2015, $6.5 billion. They were growing revenue but bleeding cash. Classic zombie company, looks alive but already dead. Then, three things happened that ensured Digicel's doom. First, WhatsApp arrived in 2009. Text message revenue disappeared overnight. That was $400 million annually gone. Second, hurricane damage. Between 2016, 2020, hurricanes destroyed $300 million in infrastructure across their markets. Third, currency devaluation. The Jamaican dollar lost 30% value. Haitian gourde lost 45%. But Digicel's debt was in US dollars. By 2020, Digicel was paying $700 million annually just in interest. That's $2 million per day before any operations.